Hello everyone and bonjour. In our today's lesson, 3 meanings of the word si. If you're learning French, don't hesitate to subscribe and like this video. Let's get started. Si has at least 3 meanings. Si would be first the musical note. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, si, do. Okay, that was the first one. Second one would be the equivalent of the word if. If. Never combine si with the future tense. And for the third meaning of the word si, it's actually the equivalent of the answer yes, but to a negative question. Haven't you been to the cinema yesterday? You would say yes in English, but in French you say si, because the question has to be a negative question. I'll give you another example. Tu ne vas pas au restaurant aujourd'hui? Aren't you going to the restaurant today? Tu ne vas pas au restaurant aujourd'hui? And then, if the answer is yes, you say si, je vais au restaurant. Okay, so don't use oui in these situations, but si. Si is an answer to the negative questions. So if we summarize everything, si is a musical note. It can be also the translation of if, that you never combine with the future tense or conditional. And the last meaning will be yes as an answer for negative questions. That's all for today. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed this lesson, and I tell you, see you the next week.